Hey guys, it's Tuesday. This is my cat, and I'm not in nearly as good of a mood as it seems because I've had a headache since yesterday, and I'm getting my wisdom teeth out tomorrow. I'm not excited at all, and I'm gonna die, and I'm exhausted. Oh god. I have exactly 36 more minutes that I'm allowed to eat things before the midnight thing happens where I'm not allowed to eat anymore because I have to go under tomorrow and that bad things happen. Kind of delirious right now, if you couldn't tell. I'm not very coherent. Yeah, it's the second day of summer though, officially, and I'm super excited, just like Haven. Um, so many things are going to be happening. We're going to VidCon, what up? Anime Expo, Disneyland, all happening in the next month, various parties and other things like that. It's gonna be pretty great. Um, I get to run with my cross country team even though I'm technically graduated now. Oh, my voice just broke. I'm technically graduated now, but I've decided that I'm just gonna run with them anyway because I like running and they get to deal with it. Okay, I'm going to go to sleep because my head hurts and I have to get my wisdom teeth out in 8 hours and 35 minutes. Ugh.